Hola, it's J.M. Everhart, the managing advisor for King Legacy Group, your wealth advisor. So, I had a mentor recently to tell me nobody wakes up to want to buy life insurance. Excuse me. it's true. Nobody wakes up and says, "Ooh, I'm gonna buy me some life insurance." It's just not going to happen. So, my advice is don't buy life insurance. Quick story time. So I've been an entrepreneur since college. Upon graduating college, my first solopreneur endeavor was opening an all-state insurance agency where I did home and auto insurance along with life and health. And then I also had to secure my securities licensing with a Series 663 so I could do financial services, withholding variable um, securities, things of that sort. Anyway, opened the agency, sold it probably about 5 years later because I had multiple businesses were tied to real estate, and the real estate market tanked. During the time that I owned the agency, I hated trying to sell life insurance because it sucked. It to me was death insurance. I didn't want to talk to anyone about when they get put in the ground. Um, Culturally, we've been taught that as an African American, life insurance was to be used to put you in the ground and then leave people some money and pay off some debts. That's not sexy. Who wants to talk about that? I didn't want to talk about it. I hated talking about it, so I didn't talk about it. Wish I would have talked about it, but no, not really. The opportunity wasn't there because products opportunities in life insurance have drastically changed as I've seen them in the last several years. So, last 14 years, I was in technology, served as a CEO for a couple of technology startups. And in 2020, I saw something that changed my life. And I saw where you could do some very, very creative things financially with life insurance. So I don't sell life insurance. I am a financial planner and I mainly deal in insurance products for financial planning for people to create their wealth. I'll do another video on that in a second or another day. Anyway, um, death insurance to me, it is described as those things where it's just for you to be put in the ground, put in a box, to pass on a little chunk of change to loved ones or family members, pay off some debts. I don't want to talk about death insurance. To me, term insurance is death insurance because it has one purpose. For the most part, I am in the business of doing financial planning for people using living insurance because whoever owns the insurance policy should benefit from it. And that's what I focus on are the benefits of life insurance. Let's talk about some of the benefits. Um, Number one, you can accumulate cash. You can actually create wealth from this to like this. Personally, I work to design cases to where um, all of my clients access millions of dollars post retirement. I don't have a client yet, I don't believe, that will not access millions of dollars upon their retirement. Okay. It'll come over time. Nonetheless, they'll access millions of dollars. So you accumulate cash. All the policies that I design have these enhancements called living benefits. Uh, I reference them as long term care benefits because my dad died almost 14 years ago from Alzheimer's. Had he had this policy with this enhancement, then the burden of his care wouldn't have fallen on my stepmother, my brothers, my god sister, and others, and the burden of the experiences they endured of him like walking out of the house in the middle of the night. That's trauma to people that don't have the disease, as well as the person that has the disease. If he would have had this type of enhancement, then he would have had round the clock care that would have benefited him and my family. He lived in California, I lived in Kentucky. So you get living benefits, I mean, lump sums of money or monthly compensation for critical illness, terminal illness, critical injury, Alzheimer's, and they don't cost anything. None of my clients pay for any of the living benefits. It's not a hidden fee. It's no cost to them. All right. The other thing is that I am a specialist with IULs, Index Universal Life Insurance Policies. They are very flexible. There's a guideline premium that you need to pay or that you pay every month. However, life happens to all of us. So you can pay less than that if you have to keep the policy in force. But the real sexy thing about IULs is that you can pay more. And that's where you're able to make money work hard on your behalf. And then you're able to like take the money out. That's the secret sauce. That's a nugget. Hit the link in the bio if you want to talk more about that. What else is it about IULs? You can access the cash value at any time, unlike a 401k where you can't touch your own money until you're 59 and a half. And then, even then, there are some other penalties associated. Uh, Man, no. No, 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 no. So I don't deal in death insurance. I do living insurance. So if somebody says, "Oh, get some life insurance," or if you don't want to get life insurance, don't get living insurance. Talk to me about how we can help you to accumulate wealth and take the benefits that come along with it. There are a ton of benefits. Um, and it's so much flexibility. So if you're interested in, oh, that's the other thing. You can actually generate passive income. You can generate passive income with your income as well as your expenses, day to day expenses. It's not a hack. It's not a scam. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's a strategy. All right. So again, my name is J.M. Eberhardt, managing advisor for King Legacy Group, where we are your wealth advisor. I look forward to talking to you soon. Hit the link in my bio, or it may be below, wherever it is. Find it, hit it, schedule some time. It's a complimentary financial review, and it's completely tailored and customized to your needs and your desires and your goals. Hope everybody's having a great day. Love you all. Talk to you soon.